Okay, it's 34 inches to the bucket, right to the edge here. And then of course we've got the standard 42 inches wide here. The brackets are 42 inches wide. So the idea is that we don't want to go too high up, so let's see what we got here. We're going to hold that up there. We got 40 inches to the top. So when we bring it in, we'll bring it in from the side and then flip it. Once it gets past that high point there, all we're going to do is just flip it, and then we'll put the transfer brackets on here, and that'll enable you to put the reel on. So you have a nice short reel, but you'll have your water tank here. So, and this works good for the shorter vans, but the box trucks and the sprinters, that's where the combo water tank can fit right on. In this case, customer chose to have it done this way, and this is the only other alternative that we had, because we got a short ceiling here. So if it was in a Sprinter or a box truck, you can put the machine on top of the tank with no problem. This is 12 inches. This is actually 14 inches up here to this top bracket, and then the machine itself is another 38 inches high. So with a box truck you can do it, but with this shorter van it's impossible. But it looks really nice either way. This is a nice water tank. You guys will love using it. Call us today at 727-505-2989 or truckmountstore.com 24/7.